Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson on Microsoft Access. On today's lesson, we'll focus on reports, which prepare the data contained in our database for printing output. So let's start opening, as usual, Microsoft Access here. Okay, and we'll open our sample database, the one that we used last time. Here we go. So here we have our objects, so the tables, the queries, the forms, and report. Let's delete it for now because we have to build our first report today. So in order to build our report, we need to go first of all on the table or the query that we need to print out, and then build a report. We'll start with a table, then we have to click on create, and there's this button here which says report. We'll click on it, and we have our first report on the guest. So as we can see here, we have the guest ID, first name, last name, address, etc., etc. If you see this dotted line, this is the end of our sheet. So we need to move everything in a way that we can see better all the information in one page. In order to do this, we need to go here on views and go on layout view. So on layout view, we have the opportunity to move things around. So here the guest ID can be a little bit smaller. So we can change also the title. So this can be guest report, and we can change everything from here. So we can see how it's going to look our report. We can also go on this column. If we don't want to show the ID, we can right click it and go on delete column, so it doesn't show. So let's put it in a way that we can put everything in our sheet. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now everything is in our page. If we want to see how it's going to be printed out, we click here on view and we click on the print preview. So this is how our report is going to look. If we need to change more, we go back, we close our print preview, we go back to layout view, and we can change everything here. So first name, if we want to add the space here, a space here, address, it's okay, state, postal code, if we want to put zip code instead, and everything is good. And this is going to be our report. Beside tables, we can also create a report on queries. So we can have more than one table in one report. We can quickly do the same thing here. So we go on our query. Here we have our first name, last name, suite number, suite type, and if it's smoking or not smoking suite. So we go on create, same thing, report, and here we have our report. As before, we go on layout view, and we can change the dimension of the column, and everything is showed up. If we go on print preview, it's all in here. For today, that's it, guys. Thank you for being with me, and have a great day.